Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 2 from the book Science Square. Today we are going to learn chapter 4, Wild Animals. In this chapter we shall discuss about the different sizes of animals, their homes and their food habits. Let us begin the chapter. Animals which live in forests are called wild animals. They hunt their food themselves. They are dangerous. You can see some of these wild animals in the zoo. Let us see, all these animals. What is this animal? Elephant, tiger, rhino, fox, zebra, leopard, lion. So all these animals. You must have seen these animals in the zoo. These animals live in forest and hence are called wild animals. Large animals. The blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. You can see this animal under the sea. It is huge, big. It's called blue whale. It is about 35 meters long. It weighs as much as 24 elephants together. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Let us see what are the medium-sized animals. I hope you know all the medium-sized animals. Yes? Yeah, what is this? Zebra, deer, vulture, bear, crocodile, python. So all these animals are medium-sized animals. Let us see all small animals. You like them so much. Ant, birds, snake, rat, rabbit, fox. All these are smaller animals. What is the food of wild animals? Wild animals eat different kinds of food. Animals like elephant, deer, giraffe, zebra, monkey, and rhino eat only plants and fruits. So animals like elephant eats sugarcane, banana, giraffe and deer will have only leaves. Rhino also will have only leaves. Zebra also will have only plants like grasses and all. Monkey eats fruits, that is banana. These animals are known as herbivores. Herbivores means are plant eaters. They eat only plants, that is grass. Another type, animals like lion, hawk and crocodile will hunt and eat the flesh of the other animal. You can see crocodile eats the fish. Lion hunts for deer, another animal. So animals which eat the flesh of the other animal, will call it as a carnivorous. Carnivorous means flesh eaters. We read plant eaters are known as herbivores. Flesh eaters are known as carnivores. Animals like bear, cat and crow eat both plants and as well as flesh. These animals are called omnivorous. Omnivores will eat both plant as well as flesh of other animals. Bear is fond of honey also. And bear also eats honey and also flesh of the other animals. Okay. We saw food of wild animals into three categories. That is herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Now we'll learn about two more. Some animals like vulture and fox eat dead bodies of other animals. Only the dead body, not flesh. It is dead body, the dead animals. These animals are called scavengers. Scavengers. They help to clean the jungle clean. They keep the jungle clean because by taking all the dead animals' body parts, they'll be cleaning the jungle. They are known as scavengers. Homes of wild animals. Snakes lives in holes, we know, like tree holes or hill holes or something like that. You can see lions and tigers lives in families as in caves. Elephants, giraffes, zebras and deer seek shelter under huge tree. They can see only under the trees. Elephants, giraffes, zebra and deer because their food is plant. So they can always seen in nearby the trees only. Crocodiles live in water as well as on the land. They are happy in both. How? But now we have to save wild animals. How? Why? Wild animals are in danger all over the world. Their home, that is the forest, is being cut by humans. Why we have to cut the forest? Because we want skin of animals, bones of animals, horns of animals, and tusk of animals. We want all these to fulfill our needs. So we kill the animals, but we should not do that. We must stop cutting down the forest and we have to protect the wild animals. In the picture you can see we are using skin of the animals, bone of the animals, horns of deers and other things we keep for decoration, tusk and all we keep for decoration. We use bone of the animals. Yeah. So we should not cut down the forest. The animals loses their home and so we have to protect the wild animals. Let us see the chapter recap. Wild animals live freely in the jungles. The whale is a big animal while the ant is a small animal. The deer is a medium-sized animal. Elephants, deer eat only plants. Lion and fox hunt and eat the other animals' flesh. Bears and crows eat both plants and animals, flesh of the other animals. Snake lives in tree holes. Lions and tigers live as families in caves or den. Elephants and deer live under trees. This ends our chapter 4.